Hello and welcome to the fifth lecture of our harmonic trading. In the previous lecture, we saw how to draw the bullish AB is equal to CD pattern. Today we will see how to draw the bearish AB is equal to CD pattern. So friends, this is HDFC Bank Limited daily chart. Here I see some higher lows are being formed. So it can be a probable bearish AB is equal to CD pattern. We will follow the same steps that we followed to draw a bullish ABCD pattern in the previous lecture. We will take the pattern maker from this toolbox. Click this magnet mode on. Click on the swing low, then the swing high, the intermediate swing low, and place this D point anywhere as we need to find out. The second step is we need to validate this AC ratio. This AC ratio is 0.576, which is very far from 0.618 and 0.50. So we will try to bring it near by moving this A point. Alright friends, this is very near to 0.618. So this can be a probable ABCD pattern. This is our A point. The next step is to double click the pattern maker. In the coordinates tab, you will get these values. Paste the price 1, price 2 and price 3 in the Excel sheet. 848.75, 1066.65 and 928. I have already put the values. This is our D point, the first PRZ, 1145.9. We will simply paste it in price 4. We will put a horizontal line for our D point. Now, to find out the other PRZ, the next PRZ, what we need to do? We need to draw a FIBO from B to C. When we draw a FIBO from B to C, we get these FIBO ratios. Now we will see the very near value to this 1145.90. And we get that as 1152.34. It is the nearest value to 1145.90. We will place a horizontal line on 1152.34. This is our second PRZ. I will delete this FIBO. Now we will make this ratio perfect just by double clicking and putting our second PRZ in price 4. This ratio becomes 1.618, that is a perfect FIBO. Now the next step is to find out the stop loss. To find stop loss, we will draw a FIBO from B to C. Once again, the next FIBO ratio above our PRZ is our stop loss. We will place a line there. Now we will backtrack a little bit if the stock has reversed exactly from this levels. Yes, quite a couple of times. We will just adjust it a little bit above that level. Now we have our PRZ, we have our stop loss. I'll delete this fib retracement. Now to find out the targets, we will draw the fib retracement from C to D. we have got our targets. We will just place the horizontal lines for our target. We consider this 0.236 to book the profits. If I am a conservative trader, I will book my profit on 0.236 FIBO. Otherwise, my first target would be 0.382. So friends, we have got our PRZ, our stop loss and the targets. Now we will note it down in the text format. So our PRZ is 1145.90 to 1152.34. If you want, you can round it off as well. Our stop loss is 1213.41. So we will round it off to 1213. Our targets are 1100, 1066.26. We will round it off, and 1042. These are our targets. Press OK. Now we will save this from this button so that we get this chart whenever we want. Okay. Now friends, this stock is very far from this PRZ. Okay. It might come after some days, and today we know that whenever it will come here, we will create a short position or we will book our profits here if we are long. So, okay, if we have investment and we want to book the profit, this is the zone. We have to see the PRZ action. This all we will see in detail in trade acquisition chapter later. But for now, we will just create an alert from this button that just let me know when this HDFC Bank crosses above our D point, that is 1145.90. Whenever HDFC will cross this, it will email us and give us a pop-up. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will see the alternate ABCD. Guys, I suggest do practice so that it will make you perfect. Happy trading, folks.